Hello everyone and welcome to another episode. My name is Cos and I am the Scrambling Dutchman. Today we're out back in the Auckland Valley and we're taking off one that I've been dying to do for a long time. I've tried to take it off a few times, walked in twice, had to bail due to wind, due to moisture, but today we should be on Shark Buttress. Again, this time the conditions look loads better. So I'm gonna lead Reese up. Dave and Kate are following. We got Charlie Carter from Carter Outdoors, Matt Extreme soloing at the front, with Leon soloing at the front as well. So yeah, I'm roping up. I'm tired from the last few days, so I'm not taking a risk. I think we can rope off at the shark's jaws. That's probably what we'll do. So yeah, let's get cracking. For those of you not familiar with the name Shark Buttress, it is also commonly known as hawksnest buttress. So far I don't see any gear. This grade 3S Scramble can be found to the left of the dolmen ridge, and it definitely packs a bite.
You put any gear in?
There is none at the moment. I will if as soon as I see something. At the moment there's nothing. It is highly recommended roping up, as two specific sections are pretty spicy. Oh, there's something. Bit of damp in here as well. Oh, it's not a good cam slot over here, Dave. The first pitch doesn't have much gear on it, but there's enough on it to keep you protected. Oh, through here, that's polished. Oh. Then a somewhat awkward step up leads you to a niche, which will make the first belay. Okay. From the niche, you step out right and go straight up to a somewhat grassy bank. Okay, Jesus. Oh man. The grass makes you a bit confused, as you seem to lose the root a little. But the root does go up into this gully. Yo! Here's this way, is it? Yeah. Yeah, I was starting to have doubts, like, well, this doesn't look as good.
Yeah, just a bit of a grassy bit there.
Bit of a shit pitch.
Yeah, once you get up here, it gets better.
Yeah, good. And Matt was definitely not lying, because it was about to get a whole lot better. Slack race. We're going into here, are we?
Yes, yeah.
Sweet. Some might argue that this is the crux. Others argue there is two cruxes. Whew. Oh, tasty. Tasty chimney section, but the next one I found a whole lot better. Okay. Oh, fucking Jesus, what a move. Oh, that is fucking exposed. Jesus Christ. Oh, my dice. Oh, my goodness.
Yep.
Whew.
That's a bit of a fucking move, that one.
Bloody hell. That gets your attention, all right?
Jesus.
Oh my days.
Yeah.
We're at the shark jaws. Bloody hell. That was an interesting move. Well, let's go and check these jaws out. Woo! On the shark jaws. Bloody hell. We're getting on. After the shark jaws, we came off the ropes, as the further terrain was only going to be grade 2 to 3 at the max. Looks like it's going off over here. The route was becoming more terraced. There were little bits of scramble and grassy terraces in between.
Yeah, the bloke's a freak, isn't he? Unbelievable.
Oh, fucking hell. Oh, that's lovely.
Hey?
So that's lovely. Swap. Until we finally came into a sunny spot where we were able to take a break. When the sun's shining in, okay. But the remainder of the road still has some tasty sections. Okay, so here, have a look, Ben. If you're not comfortable, you can go around over here. You get a foot over there. Put your fingers in there and turn. You got
Yeah,
good.
I'm just gonna go around that.
You gotta hold on this side as well. Boom. Whew. The tasty sections are short spurts, but enough to keep you entertained. Eventually, Shark Buttress will merge into the remainder of Dolmen Ridge, which will take you to the summit of the Glyder Fach. We made it. We're on top of Shark Buttress. Finally taking this route off. I mean, how many times I had to bill on it? Rain, moisture, even too much wind. Today I finally ticked it. Absolutely chuffed to bits. So yeah, we're gonna carry on the rest of Dolmen Ridge to the summit of Glyder Fach, and then we're gonna drop down a Gribbon and call it a day. So if you like this adventure, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel unless you've already done that. If you want to get more benefits out of the channel, check out the members area. And if you want to help the channel grow, swipe that comment box and award us some high points so we get higher in the rankings. But for now, from a mighty Shark Buttress with a huge smile, thank you very much for watching, guys. Hope to see you on the next one.